Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. We're going to meet in the next session, which is the 2.2 subtopic, which is researching industries, job roles, and market trends. By the end of this subtopic, you will be able to identify industries, job roles, and market trends based on the field chosen. Next, you will be able to provide the action plans related to chosen job previously. So to do industry research, you need few ways on how to do it, which is firstly, you need to identify target industries. You need to select industries that align with your skills, interests, and career goals. Make sure you know what's your skills, what's your interest, and need to know what's your career goals to do this. For the second one, which is industry overview, you need to describe the overall landscape of the industry, including major players, economic impact, and current trends. The next one, which is growth and challenges. You need to discuss the growth potential and challenges within the industry. So then you know how to handle it, and you need to know the strategies on how to overcome all these challenges. And lastly, it would be regulation and policies. Highlight any significant regulation or policies affecting the industry. The next one, which is job role research. There are few approaches or ways on how to do job role research. Firstly, you need to identify job roles. List your specific job roles within your target industries that interest you. The next one, which is job description. You need to provide detailed description of these job roles, including key responsibilities, required skills, and typical career path. And of course, if you need to do this, you need to know your responsibilities and skill on how to do it. You won't be able to do like nursing career. Like for example, you do the nursing career. You don't need the skills like computer or mechanical engineering inside it, so you need to know what's your job related about. So for the next one, which is qualifications and skills, identify the qualification and certification and skills commonly required for these roles. For example, you want to be a customer service administrator, you need to be an extrovert and be able to talk in front of everyone, including the strangers, and how to face them in the real world. Lastly, which is salary expectation. Research the typical salary ranges for these job roles. For the market trends, you need to know few things about this. You need to identify and describe current trends in the job market related to your chosen industries and roles. This can include technological advancement, changes in consumer behavior in emerging market. The next one, which is future prediction. Discuss potential future trends and how they might impact the industry and job roles. And lastly, you need to know the impact of the market trends. You need to analyze how this trend affect your employment opportunities and job security and also career development. So in doing all this research, you need to have some resources of information. Firstly, industry reports in publication. You can use any types of industry reports, white papers, or any publication that can help you to do the research. The next one, which is professional association and networks. Usually, in this kind of sources, you need to engage with them, do some interviews, or just attend industry conference with them. The next one, which is the common one, online resources. Use online job boards, industry-specific websites, and career resources to gain information. Lastly, interviews and surveys. You need to conduct some interviews with them, with the professional or any staff at the required place for your job in the field and participate in to review their industry surveys. So after we have learned all of these elements just now, which is the job search, market trends, and everything, you need to have a plan to achieve your career goals and the preferred job uh, in your own field. So, firstly, you need to have the skill development. You need to identify any gaps in your skills or qualifications and create a plan to address them. Then, you need to have a networking strategy. You need to develop a strategy for building your professional network within the target industries. In this strategy, you need to engage with everyone at the workplace because we cannot do anything if we're just alone, and we need to seek an advice from the experienced one so we know how it works. So lastly would be job search plan. Outline steps for your job search, including tailoring your resume, preparing your interviews, and identifying potential employers. So, in your own opinion, after you have learned of this just now, what are the advantages of all of these job roles and market trends and everything in career planning? What is it? So, share your answer in the board that has been provided in the ellipse, and you need to share your opinion, and you will be able to see your friends' ideas and answers there. So you will learn from there and from your friends as well. So to conclude, after learning this, you may create an effective strategy to explore the job market and obtain a complete understanding of your target industries and job roles by deeply studying these components and aspects. So I can say all of these elements that we've just learned, these are all important for your career in the future. You just don't need to take and accept all the careers and jobs that are, how to say, that are vacant just now. So that's all from our session today, and thank you for your attention, and don't forget to share your answers in the board that provided in the ellipse. See you again. Bye.